Hi guys, it's Mrs. Voss from the Stone Gate Art Room. Let's finish up our fun James Rizzi inspired birds today. Grab your supplies and let's get going. Let's begin our birds by drawing a circle inside of a circle to create an eye. I'm going to draw an arched line over the eye to create the bird's head. Another curved line will form the back of the bird, and two V-shaped lines will create the beak. Add a bumpy line for the wing, some straight lines if you would like for eyelashes, and even for a crazy tuft of feathers on the head. The next bird that we're going to draw is going to be looking straight at us. So we're going to start again with a circle inside of a circle. We're going to make two of those for his eyes that are looking right at us. A curved line will go around both eyes to form the head, and now we will make a V shape for the beak. I'm going to add two little dots on the beak for little breathing holes. Now the body is very similar to our other bird. We're going to draw a curved U-shaped line on both sides until they come to a point for the tail. Again, I'm going to add a little bumpy line for wings and some crazy bird feathers on the top of his head. Now for the fun part. It's time to color. Since we used blue for a background, and blue is a cool color, we're going to use warm colors for our birds. Warm colors include red, orange, yellow, and pink. Any of those colors will make your birds stand out and really pop against the blue background. Be sure and do your best coloring, but if you get out of the lines just a little bit, that's okay. We're going to cut our birds out and glue them onto our background. I want this bird to be extra bright, so I'm actually going to use two different colors to color in my pink bird. Using your scissors, you're going to carefully cut out each of your birds. Remember, when you are using your scissors, your scissor hand just goes up and down. You're moving the paper around with the other hand that is not holding your scissors. Your birds can be any direction. They can be facing forward or to the side in any of the warm colors. It's time to draw some hearts to add onto our blue background. You can practice drawing your heart first with your finger before drawing it with your crayon and then coloring it in. Another fun way to make a heart is to fold a piece of paper in half and draw half of a heart and cut it out on the fold, making a full heart that you can color and use in our project. Now that I have my birds and my hearts cut out, I have to decide on the composition or how my birds will fit onto the page. Will I want my paper up and down tall, portrait style, or side to side long, landscape style? You get to choose. Once you've decided on your composition or how your birds will be placed on your paper, it's time to glue them down. Remember, just use a small amount of glue on the edges. Drawing silly stick legs will finish our birds off perfectly. Great job, guys. I hope you had fun making our James Rizzi inspired bird project. Have a great week, and don't forget to submit a photo or video of your work into Canvas every week. Bye, guys.